Atomic Habits. Chapter 8. How to make a habit irresistible. Hijacking our instincts, supernormal stimuli and exaggerated desires. In the 1940s, Dutch scientist Nico Tinbergen studied herring gulls and discovered that baby gulls were attracted to cardboard beaks with red spots, displaying exaggerated desires for certain features. This concept of supernormal stimuli applies to other animals and humans as well. The food industry's attraction strategy. The modern food industry uses engineering to create supernormal stimuli in food products. They optimize tastes, textures, and sensations to trigger intense cravings and make food more attractive, leading to overeating and unhealthy habits. Are prone to exaggerated desires. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and are particularly attracted to salt, sugar, and fat due to their scarcity in our evolutionary past. However, in today's calorie-rich environment, this attraction becomes harmful to our health. Temptation bundling, making habits attractive. Temptation bundling involves pairing a desirable action with a necessary one. By doing this, we can make habits more attractive and enjoyable. For example, linking watching Netflix with cycling on a stationary bike or having a pedicure while processing work emails. Dopamine and habit formation. Dopamine plays a crucial role in habit formation. It is released not only when we experience pleasure but also when we anticipate it. This anticipation drives our motivation to act and forms the craving that precedes our actions. The role of the dopamine spike. Habits are driven by a dopamine-driven feedback loop. The release of dopamine is linked to the anticipation of a reward, motivating us to act. Dopamine is associated with wanting, not just liking, and is responsible for our craving to take action. Temptation bundling plus habit stacking. Temptation bundling can be combined with habit stacking to create an irresistible habit. By pairing a desirable action with a necessary one, we condition ourselves to look forward to the necessary habit because it leads to the desirable one. Creating irresistible habits. While engineering truly irresistible habits is challenging, temptation bundling is a simple strategy to make any habit more attractive and enjoyable. By connecting habits with things we want, we create heightened versions of those habits and increase our motivation to act on them.